Hi, in this tutorial today, we would like to see how to measure the LPG gas using Maker Nano RP2040 and gas sensor MQ-9B. For this tutorial, we will need a groove shield for Arduino Nano, Maker Nano RP2040, groove 16x2 LCD and a groove MQ-9B gas sensor. The construction of the circuit is as shown in the video. The LCD is connected to the Maker port of RP2040 and the gas sensor is connected to port A0. Once the circuits are ready, we can now start to code. For the code, we will use three different codes. The first code is the basic code, which is just to show the gas detection. And next, followed by the code whereby we will measure the RO value, which will later we will use it in the main code. And finally is the main code whereby it shows the gas measurement value. The RO value is replaced with the value which we have obtained previously. Please do note that the values shown are the approximate value only. Thank you. Till we meet in the next tutorial. Bye bye.